Welcome back. Have you ever wondered to create a customized toast message instead of using the native toast message? In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to customize your own toast message in your Flutter app. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here, I have created a simple Flutter app. If you are new to coding, especially in Flutter, feel free to check out to others tutorial in this channel. In this tutorial, we will be using this Flutter style toast package, which you can find in pub.dev. Next, go to installing and copy the latest dependency. Go back to your project and look for pubspec.yaml file. Paste the latest package version under the dependency. In this tutorial, I will be using this environment SDK version. Is the best if you can follow the same version, else it might cause some issue. Now let's run flutter run command in the terminal to execute the app. As you can see now, the app successfully launched. Now I will start creating the customized toast message. To show the customized toast message, we just need to use the show toast function. And you can see this show toast package actually provides a lot of customization for you, such as the duration, the color, the border shape, and also the text style. Now I will add some customization for illustration purposes. You can add it based on your needs. So now I have added multiple customization such as full width, duration, animation, alignment, background color, and so on. Now we can call the custom toast function in our button, and remember to pass in error message or success message or any message you want to show, as well as a context, because this package requires a context. Now let's execute this show toast function and see what is the effect. As you can see, a customized red error toast message pops up, and this is how you create your own customized toast message in Flutter. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. If you have any confusion, feel free to comment below, and if you would like to see any package tutorial, you can comment below as well. See you in the next tutorial.